Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am super excited to be participating in the Sophisticated Saturdays Open Collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, Miss Courtney at Amethyst Adventures and Miss Anna at the Grace Life Home Decor. And today they have a special host guest. His name is Daniel from Second Chance Love. So I will link all of their channel info down in my description box. Now, every month, these ladies host this open collab on the second Saturday. And today's theme is back to school. Also, on my channel, I'm doing a little mini series called Vignette Saturdays. So this week, I'm showing my Vignette Saturdays on this collaboration. So now before we go any further, you know on the Rodgers House we do shout outs, and today's shout out goes to Liz at Decorating with Jazzy Green. Now on her channel she does shop with me's, tablescapes, inspirational content, and much more. So please head over to her channel and let her know that Felicia from the Rodgers House sent you. So guests, on this August 13th, Rodgers University is all abuzz because it's moving day, with incoming students moving on campus to further their education. Just look at the line of trucks backed up and piled high and waiting in line to unload their dorm items. And we are no different. Of course, we are very extra because we have the biggest truck in the back in line. So here's all that we are about to move in. So stay tuned and we'll show you the moving in process. Here's our first unload, packed with laundry containers for clothes and cleaning supplies, and then we have our crate, which is going to be used for a dual purpose for food and storage. In this vignette, we have all dorm home decor and storage items to set up in this room. And yes, we are on it. We are busy. So just enjoy the process to music. So guests, I hope you enjoyed seeing the freshman move-in process and setup. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And please don't forget to go over and watch the host and guest host channel as well as the playlist. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.